In this video, I'm going to show you how to color alternate rows here in Google Sheets. So when you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to apply some alternating colors to your data, here's how you can do it. So in this example, I have this makeshift table where I will be applying those alternating colors. So the first step that I'm going to do would be to select my entire data set. And I can do that with a keyboard shortcut that would select all of my data, and that's Control or Command A. There you have it. Next part would be to go to your menu bar and select Format. If you click on that, you will go to the bottom and select Alternating Colors. So that's just below your conditional formatting and above your clear formatting. Click on it, and here we have it. So automatically, it has applied alternating colors to my data. And on the right side, we have our alternating colors options. First part would be our range. So if you made a mistake on your range, you can easily change it right here. Next one would be our styles. We have our header and our footer. So obviously, I do have a header right here, which I'm going to select, but a footer, not so much. But if I do click on that, that is what it's going to look like. It's still a darker shade than the ones that are already used with the alternating colors. But if you don't need it, then you can just uncheck that. There you have it. So again, it's automatically applied alternating colors to my data set. And the default style that it has applied is this one right here. Now, if you want to change that, you can also select other default styles that are pre-made right here. But if you don't want to use those, you can custom your own style by selecting a specific color for your alternating colors. So we have our header, our color 1, and our color 2. If you want to change the header color, you can go to the right side and click on this arrow down, which will show you the different colors that you can pick from. So if you're not a fan of that color, which is a light green, we can do a dark cyan, like so. And for color 1 and color 2, color 1 would be the same shade as the cyan, just a lighter one. And for color 2, maybe a darker shade of cyan, like this one right here. There you have it. So I've chosen darker shades of cyan for my alternating colors. So of course, this is totally up to you. These are just examples that I'm showing you that of course you can customize your alternating colors here in Google Sheets. So when you're done, just click on this right here, and there you have it. So since I want my header to stand out, I'm just gonna quickly format that and change it into white. There you have it. So that's how easy you can apply alternating colors to your dataset right here in Google Sheets. Now there's actually another way to do this. If I clear the formatting for my entire dataset right now by going to Format, then clear formatting, I can also apply alternating colors by converting my data into a table. So once you've selected your entire data right here, right-click on it and just select Convert to Table. Converting your data into a table automatically applies alternating colors to your dataset. As quick as that. There you have it. So that's again how you can color alternate rows here in Google Sheets. By the way, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.